Hey, good morning, Grammar 6. Hope you guys are doing really well on a rainy Monday, Tuesday. Just kidding. It's rainy Monday. It's not a Tuesday. Um, okay, so guys, let's talk about today. Hopefully you guys have done your facts practice. It was a measurement facts practice, that you've done your mental math warm-up and those problem-solving questions. And then today, what we're going to talk about is how we use division and how we can use the right form of division in a real-world problem. So if you look at the box below, you'll see that when a division problem has a remainder, there are several different ways to write that remainder. We can write it as a whole number remainder, as a mixed number remainder, or even as a decimal. So, depending on the answer, sometimes we need to round it up or down depending on the scenario. So today we're just going to be reading word problems and talking about them. So number one, example one says 100 students are to be assigned to 3 classroom. How many students should be in each class so that the numbers are as balanced as possible? Well, when you divide 100 by 3, you get 33 and 1/3 students per class. Well, we know we can't cut a student into thirds, so we need to come up with a way to answer this question that makes the most sense. So instead of giving the answer of putting 33.3 students in each class, we are going to round down for 2, so 33, 33, and then we're going to round up for 1, 34. And when you add those up, we get 33 plus 33 plus 34 is 100. And that is a practical way to divide 100 into 3 when you're dealing with human bodies in a classroom. So let's go ahead and go to the next page. All right. Ta-da. Okay. So here we have example 2. It says movie tickets cost $4 each. Jim has $15. How many tickets can he buy? Well, if we have $15 and it's $4 per ticket, we know that we're going to be able to buy 3 3/4 tickets. But you know you can't buy 3/4 of a ticket. You have to buy either 1 or 0. So you have to round down to the nearest whole number, which is going to be Jim can buy 3 tickets. Example 3 is 15 children need a ride to the fair. Each car can transport 4 children. How many cars are needed to transport 15 children? So again, we're going to divide 15 children by 4 children per car, and again, you get 3 3/4 cars. So there's not enough cars right now with the number of children that we have. So we can't round down because there'll be even less cars. So we need to round up. If one of the cars is going to be 3/4 full, we need to round up to 4 cars so that we can transport all of the 4 or 15 children safely. All right, the final example is example 4. 4 workers were paid a total of $15 for cleaning a yard. If the workers divide the money equally, how much money will each worker receive? Well, when you divide 15 by 4, you get $3.75. There's no need to round up or down because each person gets an equal amount, and so each person is going to get $3.75. All right, so I want you guys to go ahead. Pretty easy lesson. I want you guys to do your lesson practice for the morning, and then make sure that it's checked, and then hop over onto your practice set. And then tomorrow we're going to be doing lesson 112, which is multiplying and dividing integers, so that should be good. So hope you guys are doing well. Miss seeing your faces. I'm praying for you guys, and be good to your parents and your brothers and sisters. Okay, that's all. Bye.